Hey guys, thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for all of your continued love and support. Now let's get right into the video. Today, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed haul. I love Valentine's Day. It's probably my second favorite holiday. If you've watched any of my videos before, especially around October, you know that my favorite holiday is Halloween. But this is my second favorite because I love all things girly and pink and glittery. I'm gonna start with some DIY items. So I got all of these roses. I think these are really pretty. I got them in like different colors. And I also got this little heart. My sister, she did a video on her channel where she kind of like deconstructed this and kind of just used like the little grid or like the little like plastic frame. And she attached all of these really beautiful like roses in like an ombre kind of effect. And it was gorgeous. So I'm going to give this a try. I really don't have much faith mine is going to come out as good as hers, but at least she can help me if it doesn't. So then I'm going to show you the rest of the DIY stuff that I have planned. Oh, and I'll link my sister's video down below so you can, if you want to try it as well, you could follow her video. So I also got some ribbon. I got this really pretty like burlap ribbon with the red like sparkly hearts. And I got a pack of these little like galvanized words. I think I might use one of these on my like floral heart. I might spray paint it or something like that. And then I got 2 packs of these because I couldn't decide which ones I wanted. I got the little like hearts with the arrow through it, and then I also got just the plain regular hearts. Because I want to do like a shadow box. So I bought 2 of these. I'm going to remove the little pieces that it comes with and maybe replace it with one of these. And I'm going to like, you know, change the color of the frames. So we'll see how that comes out. I've never done a DIY like that. And then I also got 2 of these wooden hearts. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. Maybe I'll actually use the leftover words, whatever one I don't use on my floral heart, I might put on these. So we'll see. And I got some candle stuff because, you know, I love candles. I got this really cute little Be My Valentine candle. This is a soy candle. And it smells sweet. It almost smells like a sweet tart. So I thought this was really pretty. I like the font of the words. And then I also got 2 of these little candle holders. It's like a gold, like kind of shiny color. And then it has like the little cutout for like the red heart. And I thought these were really pretty as well. And I got some wall decor. I got this welcome sign. And this one, I love it. It's perfect. I'm going to put it at my front door. But I also wanted the one that said love. But this one, I don't know if you could tell, but the top part, the way that the little like string is, it doesn't hang very well. So it was the best one though. It was hard to find a good one at my store. They were like really, really beat up. It's like, this one's perfect. Love it. 10 out of 10. This one doesn't quite hang the same way. So we'll see how these look once they're up. I might adjust the string on this one. I also got this little like wooden tag that says Happy Valentine's Day with the little bike and the hearts. I like that it looks like wood. I didn't know that that's what it looked like when I seen it in other people's videos. And I really like the way this bow is. I know some of the bows at my store were really like jacked up, but this one was actually in pretty good shape. And I got this really pretty, Love Each Moment. I love like the way the red and the gold look together. It's so, so pretty. And kind of keeping with like the red and gold theme, I got this little banner that says follow your heart. And I just thought it was so beautiful. I didn't really care for the red one too much, but this one I loved it. And my mom actually picked this one out. She picked this really pretty like red heart. We're gonna kind of stick this on our window, in the front window, so that way, because I didn't really, my store didn't get any of the window clings. So I'm just gonna put this out. And I got this really cute little like felt, I don't know, banner you would call it. It says hug, kiss, and love. And I liked the little like gingham hearts. I thought those were really pretty with the little bows. And I got this love sign. And I love the little galvanized heart on it. I thought it was so, so cute. Oh, and then the last thing that I wanted to show you is this really, really super cute book that I'm going to give my husband for Valentine's Day. I hope he doesn't watch this part, but it's called A Little Book of Love Notes from Me to You. And I love doing little things like this for my husband because I'm really horny. And it says like, you still love me when, and then you kind of like fill in the blanks, or you're the only one who, and I thought that was really cute. And it has just all kinds of different ones that you can, all these different pages, they have different little like sentences you can finish. And I thought that was really, that's like a really sweet little gift to throw in for $1. I mean, and that's everything in my haul. But if you've made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I do want to announce that I want to do a giveaway. I actually been wanting to do a giveaway because I hit 100 subscribers back in October, but I've been so busy like with the holidays that I didn't get a chance to do my giveaway. So I want to do my giveaway for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be giving away a $10 Dollar Tree gift card. You have to be 18 and over. You have to live in the US, and you have to be subscribed. But instead of commenting on this video, if you comment on my sister's video, which I will link down below, her DIY for her floral heart, go ahead and send her some love. Leave a heart emoji in the comment section of my sister's DIY video, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. The giveaway, I guess to enter, it'll end, I'll say Sunday, so that way I can announce the winner on Monday. So yeah, so by Sunday, anytime before, I guess, midnight on Sunday, be sure to enter, and Monday I'll announce the winner. And yeah, just be sure to check out my sister's video down below. Subscribe to her if you would like. She's got an awesome channel. But yeah, be sure to go send her some love for Valentine's Day and leave your heart emojis in her comment section. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.